Story 6. Let's go on a treasure hunt.
Hello, my name is Yuren and I'm the teacher. Hello, my name is Eluska and I'm the girl with fair hair. Hello, my name is Paula and I'm Archie.
Hello, my name is Anel and I'm Emily.
Hello, my name is Julen and I'm the Clues.
Hello, my name is Temo and I'm the statue and the tree.
Hello, my name is Aiden and I'm the squirrel. Today we are going on a treasure hunt. Look for the 4 clues to find the treasure. Here's the first instruction. Remember your torch. Come on, Emily. Read the instruction.
Go and look under the bench.
Let's go!
There's the bench.
And here's the clue.
It's in blue and in red. What letter is it?
Blue has got an E and red has got an E. So which E?
No one.
Go to the house and look behind the door. Here's the clue behind the door.
It's in town but not in crown. What letter is it?
Is the letter T. What's the next instruction? Go and look in front of the fence. There's the third clue.
There's one flower but 2 in green. What letter is it?
It's an E. Where do we go now?
Go and look next to the statue.
Here's the clue next to the statue.
It's in frog and in rabbit. What letter is it?
It's the letter R. We've got E, T, E, R. I know! It's tree! The treasure's in the tree!
Climb up.